I start a new project, there's some things that I need to know about FMOD just to learn my way around. One of the most important things is over on the left side, I have my events browser. And so this is going to have all my organizational folders for all of my audio events that I'm going to later push into my game engine. So I'm going to right click this and I want to organize it first. So I can either create new folders or new events here. So I'm going to create a new folder and I'm going to relate this to my character. So this is where all my footsteps and stuff are going to live. And then I'm going to right click again, go to new folder. And then this is going to be my ambiances. So I can also add audio events, which is what I need. So I'm going to right click this and I'm just going to go to event defaults as opposed to trying to do this later. Remember, I have 2D and 3D events in this game. So for my 2D event, I'm going to start simple. I'm going to do an ambiance here. So I'm going to go to 2D timeline because it's going to build over time here. So I'm going to call this ambiances. And then I'm just going to drag it into the ambiances folder so it doesn't lose its place later. It's good to get the organization in place earlier. So when I create my new event, it's going to add a track here. So let's add some sound to it. So to add sounds, I need to have access to this thing called my audio bin, which is where all of my clips are going to live. So that's pretty similar to the clips list in Pro Tools. And then I'm going to organize them on my timeline, just like in Pro Tools too. So I got to go to my audio bin. So I'm going to go to Windows and go to audio bin. And then I want to import my sounds into this. I already downloaded the sounds that I needed if I'm using the standard sounds that came with whichever project I'm doing. So let's go to the downloads folder. And then, so this already has a file structure, the way that this particular sound designer organized it. And then I'm going to just drag these into my audio bin assets. And so now I have access to all these things.